If you're experiencing issues with Roblox updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart your device. Shut down your computer or device completely and then turn it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the update to freeze. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other websites. If there are issues, reset your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Step 3. Clear Roblox cache. Navigate to the Roblox installation folder on your device and delete the cache files. This can help remove corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. After clearing the cache, restart Roblox and try updating again. Step 4. Reinstall Roblox. If the issue persists, uninstall Roblox completely from your device. After uninstalling, download the latest version from the official Roblox website and install it again. This ensures you have a fresh copy of the software. Step 5. Check for system updates. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Sometimes, outdated system files can interfere with applications like Roblox. Check for updates and install any available updates, then try launching Roblox again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Roblox updates getting stuck. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.